Vacation is a really interesting topic. If you have little kids, vacation oftentimes can feel anything but like a vacation. In fact, a lot of guys get home and go, man, I need a vacation because you're working. I mean, if you have little kids, you're working. But there are things that you can do if you anticipate what that vacation can look like. If you build in some time for yourself, if you prepare by cleaning your desktop off so that nothing is pulling you back. One of the biggest mistakes men make is that they don't prepare themselves for vacation, so they're constantly thinking about work, they're constantly thinking about money, and their energy is not present with their partners, with their kids. So you need to prepare for a vacation. You can't just go on the vacation. The preparation for the vacation is not just the logistics of the hotel and the airfare and the tours and the meals. It's how am I going to take care of myself? How am I going to take care of my partner and my kids? How is it all going to be balanced so that maybe when I get back home, I'm actually going to feel like, hey man, I was really on a vacation.